So what you got here, we?
Looks like we have a messed up chingadera. I finally found it.
In the west side?
The hood compartment. Bring me a pillow, won't you? You know, this shop could use a 7/16 gear wrench. You know?
That's because you took it from here. It's in your toolbox right now.
It's at home.
It's at home, that's why. We could use some light here too.
Yeah, I know.
Except it's in the opposite side of you.
Is that better?
There you go. Oh look, there's a turbo in there.
Oh yeah.
So that's EBP, no, exhaust back pressure valve delete. Got a socket? What's that you putting on there, way? Jelly?
Jello. It's great. Jello. Customer wants it done right, so we're gonna do it right.
He's paying for quality work?
Oh yeah. Like most.
Like most.
Otra vez.
Taking out the fuel bowl?
Yeah, I gotta remove it.
Just to get what, 2 bolts? Something like that?
Yeah. Is this the engine compartment?
Is that the gas cap?
No, I think it's the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel.
Is this a donk? How come I don't see the ass crack? The old turbo pedestal.
Everything over there?
Yep. Could have fucked this shit up right here.
I use that channel lock for everything.
Ah, damn.
It fixes everything. It actually flies pretty good whenever you get this off.
Has a couple codes.
It's still smoking a little bit.
Yeah, we're reading, I think it was like three open lines, and what was the other one, like 40 ohms?
Yeah. Yeah, 40 ohms. So definitely.
Good shot.
Yeah. Hey, but it turned on after a couple of tries.
Well, I mean, we had the fuel bowl off. There's other factors in it. Yeah. Batteries are low.
Yeah.